Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to check in for Malaysia Airlines. You can check in for a Malaysia Airlines flight in three ways: online, through the mobile app, or at the airport. First, web or mobile check-in. Available from 48 hours up to 90 minutes before your flight. Go to the Malaysia Airlines website or open the app. Enter your booking reference or e-ticket number and last name. Select your seat, confirm your details, and get your boarding pass. Second, airport check-in. Use a self-service kiosk or go to the check-in counter. Follow the on-screen instructions or ask the staff for assistance. If you have checked baggage, bring it to the baggage drop counter. And that's it. That's how to check in for Malaysia Airlines. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.